A second element of the holistic mental wellness that we will discuss and work on as needed is going to be your body. And I use this as a very broad term because we discuss things like neuroscience and neuroplasticity. We discuss things like understanding how your vagus nerve and your prefrontal cortex, basically your animal brain and your reasoning brain, how they coordinate and how we can strengthen the signals between the two. We talk about your gut microbiome and how the way you feel is regulated by these little creatures. There's billions of them that live inside of us. And the cool thing is we can modulate what they eat and how they exist and who is flourishing in there based on how we nourish them. And so that impacts things like cortisol, serotonin, dopamine, all of these chemicals and hormones that we knew regulated our emotions. We didn't know they were so malleable and able to be manipulated by what we eat, right? And so obviously exercise, meditation, fresh air, that's all going to be a part of the body piece. But what's critical here is that you keep in mind weight loss, strength, all of those like physical aspects that we are often trying to strive to achieve. Myself, I spent 2 decades at war with my body. Literally at one point I was over 300 pounds. The goal cannot be weight loss. The goal is wellness. And then guess what? The weight loss happens. My skin looks better. I look younger than I did 10 years ago. But I can tell you that that wasn't the goal. It was a byproduct of learning how my body works in a holistic way, how my systems, my heart, my brain, my vagal system, polyvagal theory is what it's called, which is your immune system and your nervous system, your gut, how all of these things work together to give you vigor and focus and strength. And so there's a little bit of homework involved in that and a lot of science, and it's super fun. So body is an element of holistic mental wellness.